Alright, what's going on YouTube? Another case review, yes again, another one back to back to back. And today is for the iPhone 15 Pro, obviously. It is the GE Tech magnetic case for the iPhone 15 Pro. It is a translucent matte back, slim shockproof phone cover with MagSafe in the black color. So I have the blue titanium iPhone 15 Pro in all its glory right over here. Let's just wipe off the camera lenses. And in here, in this yellow and black, interesting designed cardboard box, we have the GE Tech cell phone case for the iPhone 15 Pro. So without any further ado, let's turn it around. Right over here we have a nice little open pull tab, sticky tack thingy-majig. Let's try to see how we could open that up. Let's see here. Pretty sticky. Don't want to dent the box. Let's see. There you go. Nicely sealed for us. And then we have a little plastic coverage with the case inside. Little product warranty card, as you guys can see. Just gonna set that aside. And right over here, we have the case itself. So we have a little styrofoam package, whatever you want to call it, to keep its form intact. And whoa, straight out of the box. Does that ever look nice? It is a fingerprint magnet though. Kind of. Maybe. Not really. Anyways, without any further ado, it feels really, really nice. Nothing else inside the box, as you guys can see. Let's just wipe down the back of the 15 Pro once again and pop it right in. Any MagSafe animation? No MagSafe animation. And whoa, that black on black, man, you guys cannot lie. It looks beautiful in my personal opinion. See, here is the thing. If I had the black iPhone, the black titanium iPhone, this would look absolutely amazing. So now I'm questioning myself and I'm like, should I buy the blue one instead, the blue case? You know what, guys? Just for the sake of it, let's head over, let's click the blue color, free delivery on Saturday. I'm literally gonna buy it on camera. Buy now. Loading your order summary. I'm not gonna show my address and all that, but guys, swipe to place your order. Guys, order placed. You guys see it right there, order placed. I just bought the blue GE Tech case for the iPhone 15 Pro. We're gonna see if it's real tech, just like his Tech Realism would say. Make sure to go check out his channel, the link down below. But I am loving the case. I mean, the black on black looks absolutely stunning. And when you turn it around, I mean, the blue kind of throws it off. I do love the translucent back, matte back. I mean, it is absolutely stunning. The black contour right over here, it is beautiful. Let's check out the protection on the screen, and whoa, is that ever evident? You can really see how there is a beautiful camera, or I should say screen limp. And then if we turn on the back, you can see that there is also a decent camera bump right there to protect your cameras. For MagSafe, we do have a wireless charger right over here. Stick that right on, and as you guys can see, it's working. Let's try to turn it on. And there you go, charging. So MagSafe does work. Beautiful to see. Can it hold on to the weight? And yes, it can. So that is awesome. We're just gonna set that aside. Obviously, we do have our action button right over here. As you guys can see, very tactile. Volume rockers as well, beautiful. We do have two little holes on the left side of the case just to allow air circulation, just in case the phone does overheat. And on the right side, we do obviously have our side power button, as you guys can see, just there. Beautiful. So overall, I mean, I do really love the case. Let's see over here if we try to change wallpapers. Just go to, like, I don't know, another black wallpaper right there. And again, it looks really, really good. I mean, I do love the black on here. It looks amazing. See, if I had the black titanium iPhone 15 Pro, it would look absolutely amazing. I mean, that is probably also why it kind of looks like off gray right over here. But let me know in the comment section down below, do you guys mind the two-tone? I think the two-tone kind of messes it up with the gray over here, but if it was just like a black, it would be black here and then a darker shade of black here. Is it a fingerprint magnet? It is translucent, it is matte, so hopefully not. You can see that so far it is looking, I mean, pretty amazing. I've been touching it. You can see a few fingerprints and smudges, but they wipe off pretty quickly. I mean, right there, and then see, they're like practically wiped off just because of the material that it is made with. Very grippy in the hands. I mean, it is soft to touch on the back. And then on the sides, you do have that beautiful grip. I mean, I am in love with this case. I don't want to say it is the best case that I've tried out for the 15 Pro, but it is for sure up there. I've had many cases for my 15 Pro. I've gone through many, reviewed many. Make sure to go check out my case playlist, which is at the top right of your screen right now. And this is for sure up there. This is for sure one of the ones that I'm like, wow, beautiful. I'm very picky when it comes to cases. The two downsides that I have with the case though, number one, I wish the Apple logo was centered with the MagSafe. And secondly, and this is not the case, this is just my phone, I wish it was black, that way it could match. Hopefully, the back of the phone over here, the translucent matte finishing, will stick pretty good, will turn out good, but overall, that has been the GE Tech case for the iPhone 15 Pro. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button, comment down below your thoughts. Would you get this case? I would highly recommend it. I am getting mine delivered in the blue color in about 9 days, so I can't wait for that. And it has been Alex from Techrific. Make sure to go check out all my socials. Link is in the description. All at Techrific it is. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, Threads, and Reddit. And yeah, see you guys later. Good night.